Namaskara. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very happy to be here on the occasion of launching Mizo Direct Marketing Limited. I'm really grateful to State Government of Mizoram, especially Honorable Chief Minister of Mizoram, for having launched this company, first of its kind in the country, to help the poor, unemployed youth of not only Mizoram, but the entire country. I know, many people, unemployed youth, poor, it's very difficult to give education to their children. Very difficult to conduct sister's marriage, daughter's marriage, even to earn their livelihood. I tell you, if you take up this job with sincere efforts and hard work, definitely people will definitely become lakpatis and crorpatis one day. I know many people who are on the streets of the country, once they have taken up this job, even it was very difficult for them to buy a bicycle. Now they are moving in a bench car. It is because of their hard work. I know recently during last parliamentary elections, I was in Mizoram as an observer from Karnataka. I know Mizoram people are very intelligent and hard-working. If they take up this job sincerely, definitely they will become rich, economically sound, and even the state can prosper. Today, I am telling you, state government has taken up this task of taking this direct marketing business, which can definitely extend it to all parts of the country. From Karnataka, I am there. I am also grateful to state government for having taken me to the panel, legal panel. I am there in Karnataka to take care of any problems in Karnataka. And good luck. This marketing today, government cannot provide government jobs to each and every person. Private sector is growing. At the same time, private business sector is also growing like anything. Definitely our unemployed youth, poor, let them come forward to take up this direct marketing business. Definitely they will become rich. They will become economically sound. Good luck. Thank you very much.